Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you some Jamaican slang. If you have been watching my videos, then you probably will notice that I don't talk the normal patois. I talk slang, and that's me. Yeah, man. So the first one is shell down the party, and this means I purchase most of the liquors at the party, right? So for example, my friends and I roll into a party, or I should say roll in means arrived. So my friends and I arrived at a party, but you don't know, say in a slang, we are going to say roll in. Yeah, man, so my friends and I, we roll into a party and we shell down the party, meaning that I spend a lot of cash buying the most expensive liquors, buying liquors for everybody. You understand, having a good time, spending a lot of money, as I mentioned before. So me shell down the party. Me soon forward, meaning I soon come. For example, I am telling somebody that I will be there in a minute or so forth. So instead of saying that, I said me soon forward. So this one now, yaw. Yaw means yes, and also when calling someone. For example, if someone calls my name, say Angie, instead of saying yes, I said yo. Or if I see somebody on the street and instead of calling that person's name, I would say yo, yo. Right? So again, if somebody calls my name, instead of saying yes, I would say yo, Angie, yo. And if I see somebody on the street, I would yo, yo. Right? So this other one is mea bonks. Mea bonks meaning I am leaving. So instead of saying I am leaving, I say yo, mea bonks, or mea bonks. Right? Meaning I am leaving. Why pre means why are you watching my every move? Some people will just spend their daily life just watching you. Them know when you're going to the supermarket, they know when you're going to work. I mean, like them watch you, them study you. You understand? So you say, why pre? Why pre? Where you watch me for? Where you study me for? Why pre? Yeah, man. You feel me? Meaning, do you understand? So, for example, if I'm explaining something to you, and after explaining it, instead of asking you, do you understand? I would ask, you feel me? Me not stay so, or me dusty, meaning I do not have any money to lend. So, for example, somebody asks me to lend them money and I do not have the money, or I do not want to lend that person any money, then I would say, me not stay so, or me dusty. So these are a few Jamaican slang, aka street patois. Jamaican patois is full of pleonasm, or I should say redundancies, meaning we use more words than needed to express something. For example, me want dege dege picnic. Picnic means a child in English, but I'm not talking about translate from patois to English. I'm talking about redundancies in Jamaican patois. You understand? And picnic them means children, right? All right, so me one dege dege picnic. One is already there. Dege dege means one. Picnic means one. So you can see that one and dege dege are redundancies. So it should have been me picnic. You understand? Another example is a come, me a come. So it should have been me a come. So a and come, those are redundancies. Yeah man, so Jamaican patois full of redundancies. So from time to time I will upload more videos teaching you Jamaican patois. You understand? Yeah man. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video to this channel. Thanks for liking my videos, leaving a comment, sharing my videos. Yeah man, walk good.